I asked Postman agent to generate an API for an order system. I created an MCP server based on that Swagger, and here is the result. First, I asked Postman agent to generate the API for my taco ordering system. Here it is, the API that was generated. Then I started an MCP server using HAPI Server with an experimental flag, ChatGPT, because I wanted to test that directly from ChatGPT as a connector. I exposed my local MCP server with ngrok for the ChatGPT to be able to connect to the MCP server. I configured ChatGPT to point to that endpoint, and here is the result. I have the tacos online ready to be used by ChatGPT. I enable the connector, but somehow it is not available here, I guess because this is still in beta. Let's connect directly with a client. I use the client response example directly from the OpenAI documentation. I init my project. I am using Bond in this case. I'm going to add the OpenAI library, install the packages, adapt the endpoint here. This is the endpoint that I used before. And with that, I'm going to run my client. What tacos do you have in the menu? Okay, I have carne asada and al pastor. I'm going to place an order with 2 tacos. With 2 tacos al pastor and 1 taco de carne asada. That's it. This is a simple example, but it's just for you to give you an idea how you can just ask an agent, ChatGPT, Postman agent to generate APIs, start your MCP server from the Swagger, and connect clients to consume your services via LLM. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications. Thank you for watching. Go Rebels!